Are you looking for the best bed cooling systems? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best bed cooling systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. If your current sleep setup leaves a lot to be desired in terms of temperature comfort, our pick is the BedJet 3 Climate Comfort. Its easy setup, versatility, and handy app controls over our past 6 months of use confirmed it as our overall best pick. The BedJet 3 can pump cooling air directly into your bed to stave off night sweats using a hose and a BedJet unit that can be stored either at the foot of the bed or underneath the bed, for bed frames of 6 inches or higher. As you can see in our video below, this active bed cooling system is easy to set up, and the remote control offers plenty of customization. Like other active cooling options, this fan does make noise, though once it's up and running, it blends into the background as white noise. The only other quirk we've identified with this bed cooling system with a heater is that the clip holding the tube in place isn't very secure. Tall sleepers can easily kick it out of its stand at night. Number 2. Best budget. The Adamson B10 Midnight Bed Cooling System is the option I'd recommend to anyone who is skeptical of this product category or would rather test the waters before investing in a higher-end unit. I think this particular unit is also ideal for hot, solo sleepers who don't mind a few maintenance steps to improve their sleep quality. Unlike our overall best bed cooling system, this unit uses evaporative cooling and targets it through a mattress pad. This is the smallest bed cooling system we've tested. The main unit is about the size of a shoebox and can easily fit on a nightstand or bench at the foot of your bed. We used it every single night during warmer months. It makes the bed noticeably cooler throughout the night. The corresponding mattress pad has straps to secure it around your mattress and prevent it from moving while you sleep. It's easy to plug in the tubes from the main control box to the pad and get the system running. Number 3. Easiest to use. Chillapad's Cube Sleep System is a great introduction to the functionality of bed cooling systems, and is a great option for someone who wants exact temperature measurements without extra integrations. I tested this model for 6 months before upgrading to the Dock Pro. The pad doesn't take too long to cool off when you're ready for bed. I turned it on before brushing my teeth, which gave it ample time. The hub hums while running, so it's not entirely soundless, but I didn't find it disruptive to my sleep. The cube measures 8 inches in height, so it is slightly taller than some competitors. The unit did not fit under our low platform bed, as you can see in the video, but it can sit directly beside a bed frame. Be sure to measure your bed height before ordering. And while you can feel the tubes through the pad in the system, I don't think they are painful or uncomfortable, but someone with back pain may not find it comfortable.